Okay, for this question number 4, I'm going to set a variable where the first step is let x be the time for them to finish the job when they work together, when working together. Okay, so try to think of as, okay, there's 2 people. Okay, there's Jason and there's Thomas. Okay, and then so Jason takes about 6 hours to finish the job on his own. So think of it as, okay, so Jason's job's out of 6. So if he works 6 hours, he finishes the job. Okay, and Thomas finishes the job in 5 hours. Okay, so think of this where, let's say they both work for 1 hour together, right? So it'd be like 1/6 plus 1/5, and that will be the amount of work they finish altogether out of 100%. Okay, so if they work for 2 hours, it'd be like 2 out of 6 and 2 out of 5. So 2 out of 6 is like 33%, 0.3%, and then 2 out of 5 is like 40%. And so in 2 hours, they will finish about 73%. So the whole goal of this question is you want to find out how much time they need to work together in order to finish the job. So when everything's finished, you can think of it as this is going to be 100%. Okay? And 100% is the same thing as putting a 1 over there. And then the amount of time they work together would be like x over 6. That's Jason's amount of work done in x amount of time. And here's x out of 5, which is the percentage that Thomas gets done if he works x hours or so. So what you do now is, number 2 is you just solve for x. Okay, so what you do is you find your lowest common denominator, which is 30, and you multiply everything by 30. Okay, so let me get a blue pen. So we'll go times this by 30, times this by 30, times this by 30, and so the 30 and 6 cancels out, so you get 5x, and the 30 and the 5 cancels out, you get 6x, and then this equals to 30. So these two are like terms, so 11x equals 30, so divide both sides by 11, so x will be equal to 30 over 11. Okay.